Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside Roblox Studio with first person enabled. Set starter player properties first person and lock to first person now. Create a local script in starter player scripts so the sway runs per client, not server. This prevents network lag. Add a camera offset vector 3 and variables for amplitude, frequency, and smoothing. These are your core parameters. Once done, wire the offset into a camera subject update loop so the camera can receive local positional adjustments. This immediate setup gets you into scripting the sway logic without delay. Once your local script runs, capture mouse delta, each render step tick so you get smooth per frame input. Input. Mouse delta or user input service movement works. Convert that delta into a target using sin and cos functions. Frequency controls speed, amplitude controls magnitude, so small mouse nudges produce gentle sway. Then lerp the camera or camera offset toward that target with a smoothing value to avoid jitter. This is why you separate target computation from actual transform. Make sure to clamp amplitude so it never clips through geometry. Finish by integrating sway into gameplay states. Bind a toggle key and reduce amplitude when aiming, and increase smoothing when sprinting for readability. Make the script respect camera priority and character animations. Apply offsets after camera C-frame is set so you do not fight other systems. If you see jitter, average mouse input over a few frames or clamp extreme deltas, also try using run service. Render stepped with a fixed interpolation to solve stutter. Test at different frame rates to ensure consistent feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.